Today in 10th class chemistry we are discussing about metals and non-metals. First, in nature everything is made up of particles and particles are made up of elements. In nature there are 118 elements in nature. Out of these 94 elements are present in nature as naturally element and rest 26 elements are synthetic elements. Synthetic elements. On the basis of properties, metals are divided into three categories: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Such elements which are solid in nature, opaque, and are good conductor of heat and electricity show properties of metal. These can be differentiated on the basis of following physical properties. So metals have following physical properties. We are discussing physical properties of metals. In this, first is physical state. First is physical state. Physical state, जनरली मेटल्स आर सॉलिड इन स्टेट. आपके जो मोस्टली मेटल्स क्या होते हैं? सॉलिड इन स्टेट एक्सेप्ट मरकरी. जनरली मेटल्स आर सॉलिड इन स्टेट एक्सेप्ट मरकरी which is liquid in state. Next is luster. Luster means shining surface. It means metal have shining surface. Mostly metals have shining surface. Due to this they can be seen, their surface is very shining. Third property is malleability. Malleability means the property of metal by which they can be beaten into thin sheet. The property by which metals can be beaten into thin sheet. जिस प्रॉपर्टी के द्वारा मेटल है ना थिन शीट में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है, वो प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहलाती है? मैलेबिलिटी. और मेटल्स आर मैलिएबल एंड मोस्ट मैलिएबल मेटल आर गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. जो आपकी Au मीन्स गोल्ड एंड Ag सिल्वर आर मोस्ट मैलिएबल मेटल. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज डक्टिलिटी. Ductility means the property of metals by which they can be drawn into thin wires. Property by which metals are drawn into thin wires. मतलब इट मीन्स मेटल की वो प्रॉपर्टी जिससे दे कैन बी ड्रॉन इनटू थिन वायर, पतले पतले वायर में. एंड गोल्ड इज द मोस्ट डक्टाइल मेटल. 1 ग्राम गोल्ड कैन ड्रॉन इनटू 2 किलोमीटर वायर. 1 ग्राम सोने से आप 2 किलोमीटर वायर लंबा बना सकते हो. नेक्स्ट इज हार्डनेस. Hardness means metals are generally hard in nature. Mostly metals are hard in nature. They cannot be simply break down. But there are some exception. Sodium and potassium are the metals which can be cut with knife. Next is density. डेंसिटी मीन्स भारीपन. तो मेटल हैव जनरली हाई डेंसिटी. मोस्टली मेटल्स हैव हाई डेंसिटी, वेरी हाई डेंसिटी, एक्सेप्ट सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम which have low density. Sodium and potassium have low density. Mostly metals have high density. Next property is melting and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. So first, what is melting point? The temperature at which any metal starts to change into liquid. So metals have high melting and boiling point because they have strong metallic bonding between the particles of metal. So metals have high melting and boiling point. But sodium and potassium have low melting and boiling point because they are soft in nature. जो आपकी सोडियम और पोटेशियम है ये सॉफ्ट इन नेचर होती हैं, सो दे हैव लो मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. Mostly metals have high melting and boiling point due to strong metallic bonding. Next is thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity. Thermal conductivity means they are conductors of heat. It means mostly metals are conductors are thermal conductors because they have free electrons, so they are good conductors of heat. Next is electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity. Electrical conductivity means they are good conductor of electricity. When electricity is passed through metals, then they conduct electricity because they have free electrons. Next is sonorous. Sonoriousness. Sonoriousness means metals produce sound when they are strike to a hard surface. When metals are strike to a hard surface, then they produce sound. So this property of metal is used for making bells. जो स्कूल में घंटी होती है बेल्स को बनाने में, म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स लाइक गिटार, वायलिन एटसेट्रा. सो ड्यू टू सोनोरियस नेचर metals are used in making bells, violin, sitar, etc. Next property is strength. Strength means they can hold a large weight. Metals have, due to strong metallic bonding, they can bear a large weight, and strength depends upon metals to metal. It varies from one metal to another metal. It means a metal can hold a large weight and a metal can hold a small weight. It depends on its strength. Next is color. Mostly metals are silver और ग्रे इन कलर. जो आपकी मोस्टली मेटल्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं? सिल्वर और ग्रे इन कलर. एक्सेप्ट गोल्ड इज गोल्डन इन कलर एंड सिल्वर इज सिल्वरी वाइट. नेक्स्ट इज chemical properties of metals. Chemical properties of metals. केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल्स के अंदर फर्स्ट आता है रिएक्शन विद ऑक्सीजन. Reaction with oxygen means when metals react with oxygen, then they form oxide. Okay. इसकी वो स्याही ख़त्म हो गई पेन की लिखते लिखते। अब फिर मुझे वीडियो भी